Feeling okay with it?
Yeah, 3 seconds.
Left indicator, please. Right indicator. Indicator off. Headlight off. Headlight on. High beam. High beam off. Washer and wiper. Front to mister. Back to mister. Hazard light. Hazard light off. Handbrake. Brake. Horn. Well done, very good. So this is the pre-driving safety check. So you feeling comfortable now, or you want to do it one more time?
Okay.
You okay? Okay. Let's start now. When you feel safe, when you're ready, just take a Vic Road exit.
So the
Handbrake will be automatically off.
okay.
So we are going that side, right hand side.
Am I keep way? Or?
Yeah, you need to give way. This person is crossing because this is pedestrian crossing. So you need to give way, no need to rush. So now if you feel space, it's like a common understanding this type of the situations.
Yeah.
So it's a common understanding, like we have a safe gap, so we can go. If they don't have, you need to do eye contact with person. Check your middle mirror, side mirror, do a little bit head check so no one is overtaking, right head check, and then go. Go in the center, don't turn too early, go from here. Very good, well done. Like as you can see, car is standing left and right side, so we are not able to see a clear view. So looking a clear view, go bit forward, go bit forward. Yeah, for looking a clear view in this type of this situation, you can come little bit ahead also and have a very good look. Bend yourself. Sometime you need to bend also for a looking. End of the street, turn left into right lane. Do a U-turn into right lane. Keep checking your middle mirror, keep checking, keep smiling. You don't need to give way because if the people are standing in the middle and if there is no pedestrian crossing, you don't need to give way.
Okay.
Because if you're going to give way to them and somebody going to wait behind of you, they can fail you because you're distracting other road users. So do a 3-point turn please wherever you feel safe. When you're doing 3-point turn, this one you start to turn little bit early.
Okay.
So go a bit forward and then turn. So you will be able to go properly in the middle of the driveway. When you reverse, look back, miss. Don't forget to look back. No, total back. Total back, yes. That's how you need to check. This is called 3-point turn. End of the street, turn right please. Check your side mirror, middle mirror, middle mirror. Whenever they speak anything, miss, check your mirror first, then give indicator and then concentrate. Don't concentrate too early, because if you're going to concentrate, you're going to forget this step. Turn left. Well done. This time you're doing very good. So do a reverse parallel parking behind this white car, please. Indicator, mirror, indicator, early indicate. Don't forget left indicator. Left, yes, left. Stop your car, side of the car or mirror to mirror. Do you know how to do it, miss?
No.
I will teach you also. So I will teach you very easy simple formula. This is 6, make it 9, left hand side. Like this, that's it. Change your gear to reverse, already done. Check your 360-degree check and look back. And then start to move your foot from the brake. Keep it very slow, keep your foot on the brake, nice and smoothly. Keep using when you going back. Keep using your brake little bit when you going back. Your speed be very slow, like on 0 kilometer. Don't turn. Keep going back. Once you touch this red line to the curb, then you need to stop your car. Little bit more back, like this. Once you touch this red line to the curb, then stop your car and full right till lock now. Full right till lock. Don't forget to full time. Keep going back. Yeah. Keep going back. Once this sky blue line becomes straight, stop your car.
Okay.
Okay, stop your car. You can stop here like this. Parking. You can stop there. If you think you have a little bit extra space, you can move forward also. So that's how you need to do parallel reverse parking.
Okay. So you can do it when you feel safe if you want to move forward?
You can move forward also. So 6, what you need to make? First step, 6, make it 9. Half, like this. Okay, and the second step, once you touch this red line to the curb, then full right. Now keep going straight. And do a 3-point turn, please, wherever you feel safe. Very good, well done. This is called 3-point turn. So do you know very well about 3-point turn?
Yeah.
Well done. So you, what about reverse parallel parking? You want to do practice one more time, or you feel comfortable?
Yes. I want to practice.
One more time, yeah. Do a reverse parallel parking behind this car, please. Indicator, mirror, check it bit early. Follow the same steps I teach you. When you reverse, well done, very good checking. No need to turn 6, just keep it right. Just 6, make it 9.
6, 9.
9, yes. Keep your indicator on. Once you touch this red line to the curb, that gutter line, then you need to stop your car. Keep going back. Not yet. Now, can you see the curb? Okay, then full right now. Full right, total right. Total right. Already done? Yeah. Keep going back now. Very slowly, very nicely, very smoothly. Keep your foot on the brake. Just release slowly, press, release. So that way you will be able to maintain your speed limit. And once you think, you just stop or move it forward. You did perfectly fine. So if this type of the situation you think you are very close to the curb, you can move it, you can adjust also a little bit, but this is perfect. Once you finish, parking. That's how you need to do parallel reverse parking.
Okay.
Are you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Easy steps. Well done. Very good. When you feel safe, when you're ready, pull over please. Wherever you feel safe. If I say to you, it doesn't mean you need to do immediately. You need to do very, like you don't have a space and you don't need to do it here. You can do a bit forward also. So, okay, in the test also many time examiner they're going to say to you, do it pull over please wherever you feel safe. So go now because somebody is just waiting for you. Head check and go. Whenever you're leaving your parking, pull over please wherever you feel safe. Did you see that's very big opportunities available here? So because students they do rush, and once you finish parking. So these three things they're going to ask you. 3-point turn, are you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Reverse parallel parking, are you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Pull over, are you feel comfortable? Okay, and turn left and right, are you feel comfortable? When you turn left, position to the left. When you turn right, position to the center.
Okay.
Okay, keep going straight please when you feel safe. Most of the time they say to you on the traffic light, make sure maintain your speed limit also. This line is merging, what you need to give the right indicator, head check and go. If any line is merging, don't forget to give your indicator and head check and then move to another line. Okay, so most of the time they're going to say to you line changing just after the traffic light or after the roundabout. So your speed is going to be very slow. First, increase your speed limit little bit and then move to another line. Stay in the right line. When the road divided into multi-line, please stay in a right line. What speed limit here, miss?
8.
What speed limit are you driving?
70, 75.
You're driving 60. So that is too slow. Driving too slow is also fail. Move to left lane please when you feel safe. You did very good, well done. Just before the traffic light, but if you come close to the traffic light, don't do it.
Okay.
Because traffic light, there is a solid line. We are not allowed to touch a solid line. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to right lane please. Very good, well done miss. Till now you're doing very good. Just drive with freedom miss. I can see you have very good experience of driving, but you just driving with not freedom. Driving with a little bit fear. Don't be fear of anything. You're doing very good, well done. Because if you're going to drive with freedom, you able to see a safe gap, you able to go, you able to turn bit quickly like a rabbit. Sometime line changing also, you able to maintain your speed limit, you able to, that's the benefit of driving with freedom miss. If you are keep yourself very small, you will be not able to judge the gap, you're not able to go safely, you're not able to see the roads. So always just be drive with freedom, keep yourself free from everything. Move to left lane please when you feel safe. Turn left into right lane. Oh, go like a rabbit, go like a rabbit. So first of all you need to choose a safe gap, but if in case you move, go like a rabbit, go a bit quicker. Because if you're not going to maintain your speed limit, you can fail your driving test, fail to give way. But if you going to maintain your speed limit a bit quicker, you're going to keep a distance little bit away from that car. Sometimes because of the driving test pressure, they pick a very small gap. When they saw there is a small gap, they don't react anything. You need to react. You need to go like a rabbit bit fast. Like you saw a car, go bit like rabbit like this bit fast. Okay, so you can increase your speed limit also. You don't need to drive same speed everywhere. Turn left. If you think somebody is coming to hit you, you're going to run. You're not going to walk. So same situation in the driving test also. Some situation we need to see, because of panic we pick a little bit short gap, but I don't recommend this. Chooses, but if in case still you choose a short gap, don't drive on the same speed. You need to react bit quicker. You need to speed bit quicker. If you will maintain your speed limit bit quicker, then still you will be able to maintain a safe gap. Right? Follow this road. Follow this road. As you can say, this road is bending. In the here there is lots of roads are bendings. You need to follow the bend. Do it 3-point turn, please, wherever you feel safe. We are doing now using driveway 3-point turn. Using driveway 3-point turn, only you can use right hand side driveway. You are not allowed to do. Don't turn too early. Go a little bit forward and then turn. Okay, most common mistake student they are doing in a go bit forward. So if anybody is coming, they can cross. Very good, well done. So when are you doing 3-point turn, don't turn too early in a driveway. And don't try, go a little bit forward. So that way you will be able to go perfectly in the middle of the driveway. What speed limit here means? 40 is just there. Before was 50.
50.
But now it's a 40. Before entering the speed limit, you need to do 40.
So when you come and reach to the pole, you have to reduce your limit?
A little bit before.
Okay.
Before reaching to speed limit, you need to reduce. And you need to increase your speed limit. For example, if there is a speed limit is 60, you need to increase after the speed.
Okay.
Very good. Well done, miss. Very good driving.
I'm scared.
So we did pull lever also, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know pull lever?
Yeah.
How are you going to do pull lever?
You have to go and find a space and then park.
Park with the which indicator?
Left side.
Left indicator and then stop. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you go back again to road, then what process you need to follow? Right indicator.
Oh.
Right head check and go. Okay. You pull lever with left indicator. When you go, right indicator, right head check. Tell me how you going to pull lever.
Turn the indicator to left side.
Left side and stop.
Turn.
And when you go back again to road, then
Right signal.
Right signal, head check and go.
Yeah.
So very good, well done, very good lesson you had. So line changing was very good, 3-point turn was very good, pull lever was very good. So only thing is just mirror and head check, you need to be very careful.
Yeah.
Okay. And don't rush. Sometime you rushing also. Like you in a roundabout you pick a little bit short gaps. And after, first of all choose a short gap, but if you in case you pick a short gap, don't go in a normal speed. Go in a bit fast speed.